All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here. And again, I'm coming to you from my travel trailer or my caravan, however you want to say it. But guys, I got this package in right before I left to come on my camping trip, and I thought I really want to open this one up and unbox it. As you guys know from the title of the video, we have a new Phoibos in here. As you guys know, I'm a Phoibos affiliate. Anytime you want to go over to the Phoibos website and pick up a watch and get a 10% discount, use the code OFD10 at checkout and you will get a discount on that watch. So this is the newest one. Ethan reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in showing it on the channel. Of course, I always am. I am an affiliate with Phoibos watches, so a little bit of a kickback from that 10% discount you get comes back to me here at the channel, and I do get to use that to purchase other watches. So let's go ahead and pull this one out of here now. I've seen a few cases, boxes I should say, from Phoibos, and this is one of my favorites. This is their travel case that they do, and I think this is one of their nicer ones. This will usually allow you to carry 2 watches. Now, this watch is not available at the website yet. I know it's coming soon. I'm not quite sure of the date for that, so I'm going to leave links and everything down below in the description of this video so you can check them out. Now, this is just going to be a quick unboxing. I'm not going to get into too much of the specs on this one. You will be able to read the specs over at the website if you do follow those links, but I will have a follow-up video probably in just a few days. I'm going to actually wear this one on my camping trip here for the next few days, and that'll really give me a chance to get to know the watch. So let's go ahead and unzip it here. This is the newest Kraken release from Phoibos watches. So inside the packaging, you're going to get your warranty information. And if you guys have watched my videos, you've seen this so many different times. I think they have a 2-year warranty on their automatic watches. There you go. And all the other information you want to know about repair, returns, anything like that. So go ahead and open this up and get the watch out of here and check it out. Oh, wow. This one was really impressive. Now, I do think that they're going to have 5 colorways over at the website, and this one is what I think is what they're calling the Champagne Dial, and that is just stunning. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful watch. Man, when I look at the knurling and everything, man, that is just a really nice looking timepiece. Now, we do have plastic on this one, so I'm not even going to take the plastic off right now. Yeah, I will. I'll go ahead and pause it, take the plastic off, and then we'll kind of look at it a little closer. Okay, so there's the plastic off. This bracelet is incredible, this kind of shark skin style bracelet. And just in, taking the plastic off the watch, there's certain things I've seen on the watch. It's awesome. I will tell you a little hint. This is running a Miyota 9015, which to me is one of my favorite automatic movements out there. It's super, super accurate, but very, very cool. Now, I have to say there's like 5 colorways, and I'm really excited that I got the Champagne Dial because I do think it's one of the most intriguing colorways in the lineup. But 5 different colorways, something out there for absolutely everybody. So guys, give me a few days with this watch on the wrist so I get to know it a little bit better. I'll leave links down below to the website so you can get a little more information about the Kraken lineup from Phoibos watches. Again, just a really impressive piece. Phoibos always does such a good job with their new releases. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time with this one, so watch out for the video. You know it's going to have incredible lume. We'll talk a little bit more about that Miyota movement this is running in it. And I got to check out the case back on this one, guys. It's one of the coolest case backs I've seen on a really long time on a watch. So, all right, guys, quick unboxing here, the Phoibos Kraken, the Champagne Dial one. Guys, you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.